Okay, now some of you might be quite confused by this. Now you must understand that I'm showing you and demonstrating a very difficult source. Okay, but most importantly, always go back to this. Generally, where are most of them found? Any specific things, like with increasing distance to a certain direction, what do you see? Or give more details about the general, where more details about where most of them are found. Is there more of it found in a particular location? Okay, in the general trend, a general distribution, and of course the anomaly over here. Okay, now I want you to give the following a try. Let me give you 6 minutes. This one I don't think you need 6 minutes. Maybe about 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Okay, analyze the key points. If you are ready, write down the. So I want you to try part D for 3 marks. Maybe about 4 minutes. Okay, analyze what are the key things to talk about when you describe the distribution. Remember, tell me majority, where are they found? Is there any anomaly? Is there any specific pattern in the general? And then is there any anomaly? Okay, so let me set a timer for you. 4 minutes. Okay, that's my timer. Okay, 4 minutes. The time starts now. Oops, okay, time's up. Now let's take a look, okay, at the possible points for this. All right, let me just put notes over here. Okay, so this also just now. Let me just remove this. Okay, so let's just analyze this together. Okay, so I see that, triangle stands for volcano. I must describe the distribution of volcanoes in Iceland. So it seems like most of the volcanoes are found along this dashed thing. What's this dashed thing? Which is the mid-Atlantic ridge. Okay, are all of them distributed equally? It seems like more are found on the southwest corner. All right, so generally most are found on the mid-Atlantic ridge. Then specifically, majority are found at the southwest corner more than the northeast. Okay, however, there are also volcanoes found here. Okay, so here, so this is about 1/5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So about 20 km, 20 km east, 20 km west. Then here there's a long one. It's about 120 km. Okay, so I have these 3 points. One is the general trend. Most are on the mid-Atlantic ridge. Then second one, talk about how the majority is actually at the southwest corner. And the third one, I'll talk about the anomaly. Is about 20 km to northwest and east, except for a few which is about 120 km away. Okay, now the anomaly, talking about either one is fine, just that I want to show you all the possibilities. Okay, so let me write it out for you. Let's start with the green one. So generally, most of the volcanoes in Iceland are found on the mid-Atlantic ridge. That's one mark. Okay, specifically, let's talk about how majority of them are found over here. Okay, so I'll go on to talk about so I'm done with the green one, the general trend, general distribution. Let's talk about the red one. Okay, how most of them are clustering here. Okay, specifically, again. Okay, let me continue. Specifically, most of the volcanoes are found at the southwest part of the island. Okay, or maybe if you want to be more specific, that it is center to southwest, as found, okay, from the center to the southwest part of the island of Iceland. Part of the mid-Atlantic ridge. Okay, then the third one, talk about anomaly. However, why is it so small? Just give me a minute. Okay, a few volcanoes can be found about 20 km east and west of the mid-Atlantic ridge. Now this alone will warrant 1 mark, but just want to show you more to talk about this, this group of lonely ones. Okay, so, and about 3 volcanoes can be found about 120 km west of the mid-Atlantic ridge. Done. Okay, so this is what describing distribution is like. We talk about the general overall, give more details about the where the majority are found, and of course the anomaly, where are some of them are found at. Okay, now of course we don't always describe distribution for distribution's sake. Usually it will follow up with a question, ask you to explain or suggest reasons why is it like that. Okay, but anyway, today we just focus on revising on describe. All right, so can I give you the rest of the time to finish? Just now we were looking at describing features. Okay, part C. All right, can you finish part C with a foolscap paper? You can continue with whatever you've written here. Okay, and of course the last one is part E. Okay, I'm gonna spare you the torture for part E to talk about plate tectonics. I'm going to talk about what's that? Tourism instead. Okay, so I ask you to describe the distributions of tourist attraction in Koh Samui. Okay, so the distribution is squarish. Okay, so where do they tend to be found at in the island? Okay, remember, use your cardinal direction. There's a scale here, there's a compass rose here, so please use your cardinal direction and the approximate distance. Okay, so 3 marks. Remember, talk about the general, specifically, and of course where are the anomalies. Okay, once you're done, please submit to the teacher at the end of the lesson. Okay, and I will see you on Wednesday.